So this is the final piece of my first major project. It's been printing for about 8 solid days now, and it's used almost a full roll of 1 kilogram roll of filament, so hopefully it's going to turn out okay. Okay, so there's the last piece finished and looks pretty good. Just do a little bit of filament left. Okay, so I have all the pieces together here, and I've just drilled a few holes in the handle pieces, put a little bit of wooden dowel through, and I'm about to glue it together with a bit of epoxy. Okay, so here we are with 3 original pieces of the model that I need to cut down to the smaller sizes to make them fit on my 3D printer, but the original model was in 3 main pieces, plus it had 2 center support pieces, which I've actually replaced with some wooden dowel instead of 3D printing them. But we've got the blade, we've got the handle, and we've got the main body. And here are the 3 methods I've used to be gluing the pieces together. I started with this Loctite gel control super glue, which was really good, easy to use, but it's only got a 3-gram bottle, which didn't last very far, so I ended up going for a 2-part epoxy, which was basically the same price as one of these and was well and truly enough to do the whole job, so it's obviously a more cost-effective solution. Also trialled using a 3D pen, which is basically like a mini 3D printer that you can control. It heats and extrudes filament just like a 3D printer does. Use that, you put the heated tip against your join and start melting it, and then you can extrude filament into the join and basically melt and weld with the same filament that you have used to make the piece. Found it was reasonably effective at small pieces, not so good at the big pieces here because you only really do around the edges. So in the end I much preferred using the epoxy because I can get it all through the join, but for smaller pieces I think this will be quite effective, although you do run the risk of melting stuff a little bit and damaging your appearance of your pieces. And so here is the final piece all put together, just needing to be glued up for the final stages. Pretty happy with the result considering it's my first major project. May need to paint it up to go over and fill in some of the little gaps, but in general it looks like a 40k chainsword.